Heading up to the second level, we got a bedroom on the front. We got a separate laundry room, which I never put washer and dryers in units. If you want to know why, ask me and I will be happy to tell you. Bathroom reno, nice and clean. Tile work looks pretty good. I checked earlier. I think it's just straight on drywall, which is never good, but take it in stride. Bedroom number 2. Good natural light in here. This opens up to the backyard and the porch. That's taken care of there. That needs some love right up here. And then I noticed that these boards aren't painted, like that needs some paint, but nothing crazy. New door, new light. So we got 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom on this level. Bedroom number 3 is the whole 3rd floor. There's a good space, good light. Down in the cellar, got a bunch of new piping, which is nice. PVC, new panel, done just a couple years ago. Got rid of all the knob and tube, clean wiring, new water heater, new gas furnace, new plumbing lines off of the main. The downside is that's still galvanized, so I would actually look to just replace that section as much as I could. One thing I do like to see that's rare is they got rid of all the knob and tube. Normally that stuff's still laying around even when they cut it off, kind of like that. Why would you not just take that off? But overall, this is a really great property, and I think we're going to put a bid on it.